So we're starting here on the profile page, but we're going to move over at the bottom of the screen to the news page. And on the news page, we're going to have a couple different filters based on the level of articles that we want to look at. So we have just the most popular top articles. We have articles that pertain to local stuff, state stuff, and federal stuff in the veterans community. In each one of these categories, you're going to be able to scroll down the list, and then you can pick one. It'll show you the heading and a little bit about the article. Maybe it's the first excerpt, and then you'll be able to continue reading either the whole thing or related content to it on the internet by clicking the continue reading on the web link right there. And we can do that for each page. And then on the events tab, which is the next tab over at the bottom, we can see veterans events that are going on in the community. And those are all filtered in chronological order. If you see one of interest, you can tap on that event. On the events tab, we can see all of the events in chronological order. You can tap on an event you find interest in, and then it will bring you here. It will show you a mapping of where that event is taking place, the time and date, and then a little bit about that event. And it'll give you the option to add it to your calendar. And if you're the one who submitted this event and you need to make a change to this event, there's the Submit Correction button at the bottom of the screen. If you tap that, it's going to let you send an email to an admin, which will help get that sorted out for you. You can also filter these events based on type of event. So if it's just a meeting that you're trying to find, you can tap on that meeting checkmark, and it will only show you meetings that are in the list. Same with any other category. The submit event button up in the upper right hand corner is to submit your own event. That will be covered in a separate video. Moving on to the promotions tab, this is where you can see the discounts and different promotions for veterans we have at businesses in the local area, also sales. There's not very many in here right now. This is kind of being recorded in a testing situation, but there should be more than this when you look at the app yourself. Moving on to the Places tab, you can see all of the places that give out a veterans discount or sale. And you can filter those on the map with the different filters options that we have at the top. All of those map pings represent a different business. If you tap on a business, it'll zoom in more on a map. That map ping will show you where the business is. It will show you their phone number, street address, and other ways to contact them, and then a little bit more about them. That concludes kind of the main features that we're going to have here in the Veterans App Android version.